Understanding game transfers. Xbox to PC.
Hello there, wonderful viewers. Today, we're going to address an intriguing question that's on many gamers' minds. Do I need to have an Xbox to transfer games to my PC? In this video, we will guide you through each step and make this process as clear as possible.
Do I need an Xbox console to transfer games?
To answer the question simply, no, you do not need an Xbox console to play Xbox games on your PC. Since the advent of Xbox Play Anywhere and Xbox Game Pass for PC, the need for an actual Xbox console for playing Xbox games on a PC has decreased. Xbox Play Anywhere and Xbox Game Pass are services provided by Microsoft that allow you to play select games on both your Xbox console and your PC with a single purchase or subscription. This effectively eliminates the need for physical or direct transfer of games from an Xbox console to a PC.
How do I play Xbox games on my PC without a console?
Playing Xbox games on your PC without a console can be achieved in a few easy steps. 1. You must have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it for free. 2. Purchase the game from the Microsoft Store or get an Xbox Game Pass subscription. Remember, not all games support the Xbox Play Anywhere feature, so make sure to check if the game you're interested in is supported. 3. Download and install the game on your PC through the Microsoft Store using the same Microsoft account. 4. Start playing. The progress you make on the PC will be saved and can be picked up on an Xbox console if you ever get one, as long as you're signed into the same Microsoft account. And there you have it, folks. We've addressed the question, do I need to have an Xbox to transfer games to my PC? The answer is a resounding no, thanks to Xbox Play Anywhere and Xbox Game Pass. So, go ahead, explore the world of Xbox gaming on your PC without any restrictions. Remember, gaming is not just about the platform, it's about the experience. Happy gaming!